SPNutrition Gummies are marketed as an easy and tasty way to support your health, with claims ranging from better energy and immunity to weight management or other wellness benefits, depending on the formula. The ads make them sound like a simple solution for better health. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, gummies can be a convenient way to take vitamins and supplements, especially for people who don't like swallowing pills. What it does well: easy to take. Gummies are convenient and often taste better than traditional capsules. May help fill nutritional gaps. Depending on the ingredients, they can provide vitamins or minerals that some people lack. Where the hype falls apart, they are not miracle products. This is the biggest issue. Gummies cannot replace a healthy diet, exercise, or proper medical care. Results depend on the ingredients. The effectiveness varies based on the actual formula and dosage. Marketing can exaggerate the benefits. Claims of dramatic health improvements should be viewed with caution. So, should you buy SPNutrition Gummies? Short answer: only with realistic expectations. They may provide nutritional support if the ingredients meet your needs, but don't expect dramatic changes from gummies alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.